When online shops are all implementing the same designs and tactics, creating a personalized experience is more important than ever to capture visitors' attention and build a connection. Quizzes are great not just for capturing leads, but also for introducing products to shoppers in a fun and engaging way. 87% of marketers agree that interactive content grabs attention more effectively than static content, resulting in twice as many conversions. You can easily segment your audience based on the data collected from your quizzes to better target customers with the right types of products. Quizzes can make the selection process easier by showing them recommendations based on theirs or the gift recipient's interests. In this example, a golf retailer set up a quiz so they could send personalized product recommendations to their customers, keeping them engaged and encouraging them to try other products. Start with a lead capture promotion and add an intro screen depending on how many questions you'll ask. Next, create a form using the email form layer. Be sure to include a field for every question you'll want to ask. If you have a lot, you'll need to add a follow-up screen. Customize your quiz with copy and images. And finally, add a closing message depending on what you want your visitors to do next. Quizzes can be used to suggest products to drive same-session conversions or collect preferences for targeted off-site messaging. Plus, feed this data into your ESP for dynamic content based on their answers and your automated emails for long-term personalization. By incorporating quizzes into your marketing strategy, you can grow your email list, increase engagement and conversions, all while collecting data to continue personalizing experiences for your customers. Sign up for a free 14-day trial and start optimizing conversions today.